Hello guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. So if you go to your profile and click edit profile and just go to the links, you will be able to see Instagram and YouTube if you have under 1,000 followers on a personal account. Because on a personal account, you can only put your website's link in your bio if you have over 1,000 followers. So either you need to have a personal account and reach over 1,000 followers, or the other option is basically switching to a business account if you have a business on TikTok, and then you will be able to put the link without 1,000 followers in your bio. It's also really important that you get a trial version, but you need to register your business later on TikTok. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can do that. So you need to click your profile, need to click the three dots on the top right corner and click settings and privacy. Here you need to click your account and switch to business account. So here TikTok tells me that I will get more business features. I'm just clicking next and clicking next again. And next, I'm going to choose a category in which my business operates, for example, education and training, because I'm making tutorial videos. We can skip this step. You can add an email to your profile to connect with your customers directly, but I'm going to skip this. We also can add bio, but I'm going to skip this. So if now I click edit profile and go to the links, I can see the website option, so I can give a link to my bio. You can also switch back to a personal account by clicking the three lines on the top right corner, clicking settings and privacy, clicking account, and just switch to personal account. And we're gonna just switch. If you switch to personal account type, you will lose all business account features. Alright, so all in all, these are the two options to add a clickable link to your TikTok bio. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our Make More Money with TikTok checklist for free and other TikTok marketing resources and deals, make sure to check the links in the description below.